Hi everyone and welcome back to your piano lesson. If you are here for the first time, I am Gianluca Fronda, your piano teacher. If you want to discover about me, you can watch the introduction video of the channel in the description of this video. I'm leaving the link below. And you can also find the link for my artistic channel. Now let's go to our lesson. Today I want to spend a few seconds talking about the Dancing Kangaroo on page 17 of the John Thompson's Easiest Piano Course Part 2. The piece itself is very simple. You have to play only the top line, the top stave. The top stave is indeed is the one for the pupil, for the student. The bottom piano stave is for the teacher. Okay, so why I'm saying that is at the end is very simple, because you have to use only 4 notes. In the Dancing Kangaroo you have the 3 new notes that you have learned in page 16. They are A, B and C in the new way. You have already discovered these 3 notes A, B and C in the very beginning with in Thompson part 1 are the C, the middle C, then the B to the left side, and then A immediately after. But obviously now it's time to learn this new A, B, C. And these 3 notes are exactly on top of the last note that you have learned in Thompson part 1. Let me take 1 second a pencil. I had already written because I wanted to show to some of my students. Now I'm doing it for you. Yeah. So in Thompson part 1 you have learned not only obviously the C for the left hand, that with the rubber now went a little bit out. You learned also the C for the right hand thumb. Then you have learned the D. You have learned the E, you have learned the F, and you have learned the G. These were the 5 right-hand notes that you have learned in Thompson part 1. Finally, from now on, you have also A, B and C. Indeed, this is the A that is straight to the right of the G, the last right-hand note that you have learned in Thompson part 1. Look, this one was the position of Thompson part 1. Now you have to play these 3 notes, the 3 ones that are on the right side of the G. And what you can do now to play the Dancing Kangaroo, look, you simply shift the right hand, you reach the new note C. Why is this the C? 2 black keys, exactly like the ones that are on the right side of the middle C, yeah? Also here. So you place the 4th according to what John Thompson is telling you to do. So 4th finger on the C. Accordingly the B will be here, played by the 3rd finger of the right, the A played by the 2nd finger, and you have also the G that will be played by the thumb. Et voila! Let me write on top the fingers, and that's it. Once you have learned how to play C, B, A, the G you know already, but anyways, it's quite simple everything. Once you've learned this first block of 4 bars, be advised, the second block of 4 will be a simple repetition of the first, and in the beginning of the second line you will get the first 2 bars identical to these ones, identical, you can see? The difference is that the 3rd and the 4th of this block of 4 bars will be slightly different, where you will have to play the C with the 4th, the C with the 4th. Then let's go back to the book. I'd like maybe to create this kind of blocks, yeah, with a structure, visible structure for the piece. So these exactly like this, these with this difference at the end, and this one start again with the same 2 bars. Same 2, same 2, same 2, same 2. At the end, slightly different than this. Why? You have G, played by the thumb, B by the 3rd, and C by the 4th finger. Let's see how it sounds It's quite nice, anyways, when you play with the teacher. Yeah. 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 stop. And voila, this is the Dancing Kangaroo, played with the right hand. Is simply the part that you have to play. Now I want to play for you also my part. In this way, as soon as you're ready, you can play on my recording. Let's do. Obviously, this is something that you shouldn't really mind that much. Maybe we can simply point the score, yeah? Because you don't have to worry about what I do. And 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2  3 1 2  3 1 2  3 1 2  3 1 2  3 1 2  3 1 2   3 1 2  3 1 2  3 1 2  3 1 2  3 1 2  3 1 2  3 1 2  3 1 2  3 1 2  3 1 2  3 1 2  3 1 2  3 1 2  3 1 2  3 1 2  3 1 2  3 1 2  3 1 2  3 1 2  3 1 2  3 1 2  3 1 2  3 1 2  3 1 2  3 1 2  3 1 2  3 1 2  3 1 2  3 1 2  3 1 2  3 1 2  3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 Stop. And I want to give you even one more present. Now maybe we can see me playing it like in a concert. And voila, the pencil away. I want to play, I will make an arrangement for you to let you understand from now how it sounds all together. If I play yours plus mine in my own way. Obviously I will be respecting strictly your part. I play mine, improvising a little bit the arrangement, yeah? So, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. See, this is the way it will sound when we will play hands together, because anyways my students know that when I play with them the accompaniments, I add the notes, I change something to make it even more exciting and interesting. Don't forget obviously to complete the worksheet on page 16, where you have to not only write the name of the new notes, yeah, then you have to definitely write also these new notes ABC in all the possible ways. The new A, the semi-brief, dotted minim, crochet and two quavers. And then you carry on. Remember obviously that you are following me from America, or if you are using, even here in the UK, the American version of the book, this one will be called whole note, dotted half note, quarter note, and 2/8 notes. The complicated one usually for almost all the students is the transposing exercise, where you have to write now in the first one you have to write the new notes in the old way. I prefer to say in the old way to make it simple, yeah? So this is the new C and this is the old C, you see? Now this one is B in the new way. You have to write simply the B in the old way and you carry on. The second one will be the opposite, the old notes, the old ABC, in the new way. See, this is the old A, and indeed Thompson gave you the first one, and from that point you have to carry on. Anyways, if you have any question, but I don't think that you should have any question regarding this one, you can obviously feel free to contact me by commenting. Let me know how you are studying, if it's going well. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you have never done until now, and see you in the next video. See you, bye bye.